Female Muto, or Muto. Landscape page. Use a pencil and eraser for these and hit pause if I go too fast. We'll start with the shape for the head in general, right? So center point of my page is about here. Come over, down, and we'll just do this kind of V for the mouth, right? So it'll go like down this way, right? And it'll sort of come to a point and back up. And it like curves down here. There is some teeth here, but we'll just keep things kind of simple for a minute. So then this headline starts to go back real far, right? It goes right up to the top of my page, and we change direction a couple of times. So we go up this way. Okay, and then we change direction, we go back. And this will go like all the way, really long. They're about the same length, both these things. This one's a little bit longer. So this, probably that's the same. No, this side is definitely longer anyway. So then this bumps back down, curves around, and then starts to like, it's a bit of a bumpy line, right? So, because it's got all texture and stuff on it. And then this goes down to the front of the face, right? So it goes, and then kind of hooks around here. So then the mouth, right? So just in here, we got like the side of the mouth curves down. And then we got like all wrinkles and teeth and stuff. So there's like all teeth kind of in here. Right, sharp teeth kind of like this. And then some bigger ones here at the front. And then the bottom of the chin comes down. And this will go back this way, right? And up to a jaw. So it kind of goes up to the jaw here. So there's like the head disappears behind the shoulder, right? So we'll get like some of the big parts in first, like the legs and all that, and then we'll do more details inside the face. Well, we can draw that eye, you know, that sort of red eye kind of thing. So it's like, it goes back real long, sort of back here. And it's kind of just done sort of all these wrinkles and stuff in it and all around. And so that's kind of all we can see for the eye, right? And there's all textures and stuff, but we'll just get the main parts in first. So we'll go up here to the back of the head, right? So this kind of bumps down here. And then we have like an elbow that sticks out this way, right? And then another one that comes down here. So this is like a long one. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight because it's organic sort of thing. And then the shoulder comes down across the head here. And then the other side of this leg. Yeah, beside the jaw, just here. So then this goes down around here. So that's one big long leg. And then this leg down that way. And then this one goes down off the page. We can see another leg back here somewhere. And there's like a crease for his elbow in here. This just turns around and goes down that way. I like some texture lines and stuff on this, just to show there's like edges to it and stuff, like here. So we've got like a top line that goes down there, and this meets another sort of elbow part there, and then another sort of bumping line here. This goes down that way. So he's real sort of got lots of these lines and stuff on him. On her, should I say. Right, so the mandibles and arms kind of come out here, right? And the body comes down this way. So say the body. So we've got this kind of wrinkly body sort of shape somewhere here. Right, it goes down that way, but we've got an arm that sticks out here. So we go out. Let's say there's like the other side. We go here. We've got like a section that connects, and then it goes just down off my page, and then like a knee or something here, and then this goes down this direction. Right, and more sort of texture lines and stuff. Like, I guess they're like muscle fiber lines and stuff like that. And then another arm line down here. So the other mandible comes out from behind the arm here as well. So this comes down out to there. Down that way, and then the elbow is like here. This comes in. And then we do another line that comes down this way. It kind of goes around where these connect. Right, and there's all lines and stuff to show edges and things on that, like texture and all. Elbow lines and stuff. So there's another 2 or 3 legs. Let's see. So coming down here, there's one coming out from the side of the head up here. It kind of comes down behind the head and then out this way. And then the inside of it here. Again, there's like an elbow join or something here. And then we got some more texture lines just running down the arm. We go down that way. And the one there. This goes down that way. There. And then texture lines on it. It went over a bit there, but I can fix that after. And then there's like a knee or something sticking out from here. And then the base of the stomach, so this kind of stomach goes around here. Okay, so now sort of textures and stuff all over, right? So we've got like some more teeth in here. So you basically add like more rows of teeth. Spiky. Coming up around back of the mouth. Like that, and then there's like a tongue line or something. Well, I don't think it has a tongue, but there's these sorts of texture lines and stuff inside. And then like at the base of his teeth at the front, we have lines that come down. So just these sort of light lines that show sort of textures all over, right? So like something coming up here for the jaw. Comes down, meets this kind of thing. Lots of these kind of wrinkles and stuff, and there's no like one way of doing this. You just feel it out and then add whatever you can. More coming down his face, her face. Lots of these wrinkles all over. Like some around the jaw here. I'll go underneath the head. And along the body here as well. Lots of these wrinkles now coming around the body here. Right, and then there's like textures on the back of his head up here as well. Like sort of these lines that come down the back of his head, her head. And then coming up the head here as well. And an edge line there. And there's like a part where they connect. Like the skull here. Right, and then what I'll do is just thicken up our edge lines and the lines of the arms and stuff just so they stand out a little bit more. But that's pretty much it. Right, so then dots and textures and stuff on his skin. You know, dirt and scratches and all this kind of stuff. But I think I'll leave it there. That is how to draw female Muto. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.